Oh, TMS fam, it has been the most special time here in the TMS kitchen with Mam Xoli. We've been cooking umsila wenkomo, or slow roasted oxtail, which is one of the late Tata Madiba's favorites. You can find this recipe and many more in Mama's book, Made with Love. That has recipes and special memories of Mama's time as Tata's personal chef. And now I'm so excited. The smell in the kitchen, the dish, it looks so beautiful, so colorful. I am so excited.
I am too.
We are going to taste our dish. Are we going to taste?
Yes, you know that you can cook your own food, and some people, they say they don't taste their own food, but me, oxtail, I have to.
You have to. It's a delicious plate.
Thank you.
It's a delicious dish. Umngqusho umhle, brown, rich, and colorful, green beans. It's actually very nourishing, this plate.
Yes.
It's very nourishing. Vegetables.
Food to share.
And, yeah. No, it's beautiful. I can't wait.
That's the best thing you can do. You must learn how to share. People shall share. And this...
okay, I just... Go
and dig it out.
The sauce is beautiful, it's glossy.
Nice and glossy.
It's
telling you to eat. The reason why we are eating the samp with a spoon, I'm just thinking that Tata will not be going with samp, and he will finish up his samp and then he will go to his
samp alone. On its own.
Nothing else.
On its own. And the meat is just falling off the bones, guys.
Soft.
The meat is falling off the bone.
That's what we want.
That's what you want to have when you're cooking an
on the bones,
oxtail.
but still coming out very nicely. You see, it's not even giving you a hassle. You just take it out and it's out of the bone. That looks so beautiful.
This is perfect. This is perfect. It brings such nostalgic memories.
That welcoming. That mama who says, don't look for me anywhere else. Just go, buy the book. You can get the book. I'm not so on social media. I'm not
you're not on social media?
No, not this, madam.
Oh, okay.
I am behind, but something is going. You are going to know about it as soon as possible. But right now, Mama is just cooking, and I'm at Sanctuary Mandela, the home that we turned to a hotel. And after Tata passed on, and that's the place that everybody goes and feels and feel at home and taste all the meals that Tata used to eat, and the place where he used to share his table from the boardroom to the dining table. That's what I've known him for many years. So that is where you can get Mama.
Mama, thank you so much for coming to the TMS kitchen. It was an honor cooking with you. You are such an amazing and inspiration, and we appreciate you and the food that you've cooked for us. We are learning a lot from women like you, amazing women like you. So thank you so much for coming to our kitchen.
It's a great pleasure for me to be here, and I really appreciate you to call me here. And more especially, the month is called the Women's Month. Thanks for having me here so that I can share the dishes that I've been serving all the people that used to come to Tata Mandela's house. But most of all is just for me to say to you, all what I'm living with his values: loving people, sharing with people, caring for people, and most of all, respect people. Thank you so much.
You can find this recipe and many more in Mama's book, Made with Love. That has recipes and special memories of Mama's time as Tata's personal chef. The morning show still continues, so keep watching.